Hey guys, it is Monday, and I'm not sure when I'm going to show this show. I've been, man, I'm just so busy. I don't know if I can keep up these Monday shows or not, but I may show you a little bit of stuff here and there. It's just taking so long to edit these shows, my goodness, because I am so, hey, I'm old, but I sure am slow. But got something special, I hope. I got something special to show you right now. I'm going to turn this camera on, and I'm going to put you up under the hood. And what we're going to do here, first though, I think what I'll do is kind of recap on what we've done so far, okay? Just real quickly. I was able to I almost took 2 whole gallons of peak to put in there, and so it held it, seems to hold it just fine. I checked the oil is good, it's dead on it. I got my new carburetor on there. I got the gas hooked up right there. Follow that line up and around, and there's my gas tank right there. Okay. Now it only, obviously it won't hold that much, so it's only going to run for a minute. So, but we haven't had it fired off yet, so I'm hoping it's going to fire off. It's got fire. The only thing that's not new on here that I wasn't able to get was the button, the rotor cap. So I'm hoping that, well, I know they told me it would come in today. So I'm using that old rotor cap, and so we'll see. Hopefully that's going to work out. I hope this thing busts off for us. I'm going to turn this back around. See it, hopefully it doesn't fall off. Alright, so here we go. Let's give it a try. Fingers crossed. I did buy something, one more thing. This. Let's see what this looks like on there. I had to get a whole different setup because the oil bath isn't going to, the yoke on it is just too large. Look how big around that hole is. Does that look like something really fit this? Wow, that really don't. So we're going to put this on there. I've got an adapter, and you guys do not even want to know how much all this was. So don't tell my wife. She doesn't watch these videos anyway. She's not a big motor engine person. Okay, so what we got to do is find the one that fits it. It looks like that one right there, maybe. Let's see. Yep. Alright, where's my, there it is. I have a seal. Oh, you guys can look at that there. Let's put the seal on, put this on. Alright, now we're going to set this on there. Alright. Now we're going to set this on there. Right. Now we're going to set this on there. And that bag. Hello, what you doing, man? Roll around all over the place. Alright, where's the baby? Alright. Okay, so we got this. And if I ever get that chrome alternator, this bad boy's going to be good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, tell me that don't look good. Alright, what I want to do is I want to put a little bit more gas in my funnel up here. Now what I want to do, I want to see if that alternator is charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire it up, and since it's idling, I should be able to run up there real quick and pull the wire off the battery and see if it keeps running. Of course. Alright, I'll tell you what, I'll do that on my own. We'll see. And I'll get back with you guys whenever. Alright, man. I'm loving this. I'm going to take some pictures of it, let you see them. But, I'm loving this. Y'all be sweet.